How to poke someone on Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to poke someone on Facebook. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on to the Facebook app itself, please visit your App Store or your Play Store and check if your Facebook is up to date. If not, just tap on the update button so that you will have the latest features within the app. After you have made sure that your Facebook is up to date, just head on and open Facebook right here. And from your home page or from any other page, just click on the menu button right here at the bottom right hand corner so that you will be on the menu page. After that, let's click on this help and support option right here. And you should see many options that will pop up. Well, we are going to go to the help center right here. So just click on the help center option. And you should see many options right here to know more about Facebook features and also help you resolve various issues within the Facebook app. So what we're going to do is to click on the search bar right here because we're going to search about poking someone on Facebook. So let's just search for pokes page, just type in that keyword and just click on the go button at your keyboard. Just click on go. And you should see this article right here that says, how do I poke someone on Facebook? And you can read about poking someone on Facebook right here. People can poke their friends or friends of friends on Facebook. And when you poke someone, they will get a notification. So you should see this link right here. To see and send pokes, visit your pokes page. So this should be in the blue color. The text should be in blue color. That means that you can click on that. So click on the pokes page phrase and you should see all the pending pokes and also some of the friends you can poke. You can also type in the search bar on the name of your friend that you want to poke. So that's basically it on how to poke someone on Facebook. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.